Hi Center, we are now going to do all of the bits of Heal the World medley that we haven't done. So this is all of your extra harmony parts. We're going to start this at bar 29 at the all section of Heal the World where you guys sing the lower part. 1, 2, 3. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. 1, 2, 3. Here we are at the all section, end of bar 35, pick up to 36. 1, 2, 3. Make a better place for you and for me. 1, 2, 3. Hi Center, we are going to start at the all section on measure 52, and then we're going to go right into measure 53 at the 3-part harmony section. We're going to record it bottom, middle, top. Everybody learn everything. And then when we get down to bar 60, you're just going to learn both parts. There's just 2 parts there. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Here we go. We're starting with the bottom part. Everyone learn this. What? Sorry?
From when we.
Yeah. When we stand together as one, stand together as one.
We are the world.
Heal the world. Make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, Center, with the middle part. When we stand together as one, stand together as one.
We are the world.
Heal the world.
We are the children.
Make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, center, top part. When we stand together as one, stand together as one.
We are the world.
Heal the world. Make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3. Center, we're continuing at bar 62. We're going to go all the way through bar 72. This is the same harmonies as before. The only difference is it's a half step higher, and in one spot there's one note change that you may notice. There will be a test. Here we go.
We are the world.
Heal the
We
world.
are the children.
Make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3.
We are the world.
63.
We are the children.
Here we go, measure 62, middle part.
We are the world.
Heal the
We
world,
are the children.
make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3.
We are the world. We are the children.
Okay, here we go. Center group, bar 62, top part of the harmony.
We are the world.
Heal the
We
world,
are the children.
make it a better place. Ooh, for you and me. Ooh, if you care, it's true. We'll make a better day, just you and me. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. 1, 2, 3.
We are the world. We are the children.
Okay, center group, we're almost there. We're going to start at bar 73, starting with the bottom part first, all the harmonies for center.
So the outside sings first. It's true, we'll make a brighter day.
Let's start today. We can make the world a better place. Heal the world. 1, 2, 3.
It's true, we'll make a better day.
Continuing with the middle part.
It's true, we'll make a brighter day.
Let's start today.
It's you and me.
We can make the world a better place. Heal the world. 1, 2, 3.
It's It's true, we'll make a brighter day. Just you and me.
Okay, everybody, we're now doing the top part. Your music may have an E printed in it on the word today, but it's actually going to be a C.
It's true, we'll make a brighter day.
Let's start today.
Just you and me.
We can make the world a better place. Heal the world. 1, 2, 3.
It's true, we'll make a brighter day. Just you and me. Thanks, guys.